Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am cleaned up and refreshed and ready to start putting some paint on my garden cart farm stand. So I had some ideas about how I want to finish off my garden cart here. Let me show you. So the outside sanded up really nice and gave me a nice clean smooth surface, and I think I'm going to paint the outside white. That way I can do some lettering of some sort on the sides for advertisement. And then on the inside, I actually really love how this sanded up. It didn't completely get rid of like this antiquing of the wood. So what I might do is I might just paint the shelves white, or the shelf white, and the trim, and then clear coat the wood here. That way there's a little bit of contrast between the shelves, or the shelf and the wall. But I really like this antiquing of the wood. So I think I'm just going to clear coat it to seal it, paint the shelf white, and call it a day. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on painting the outside white first, and then we'll move to the inside.